Hi, I'm Chris, co-founder of NutriBot, and at today's video I will show you how to create the shopping list based on prediction in NutriBot. So to start, you need to go to the settings and the users to confirm if the user you are logged in have the permissions to the new feature. So if you go to the right user, edit mode, and to the very bottom you should find the warehouses feature and suppliers feature. You need to turn it on because this is two new things in the shopping list which will be needed, and save it. After that you should refresh the website. I am logged in on the different user, but you should refresh the website and you should see the storage section here, suppliers and warehouses. And it is where our journey will begin. So in suppliers you should define what kind of suppliers you have. So for example, macro shop, you can add the website, phone and different kind of information about this supplier. I will save it like that. Then add the different suppliers. Okay, after creating the list of suppliers, we should go to the warehouses, and here you should add the warehouses, the rooms which you have on your company where you stack the ingredients. So I will create the rooms like the eggs, meats, frozen and so on. And now once I am done, it is the best to go to my ingredients list and define which ingredient is by default connected with which supplier and which warehouse. The easiest way to do that is to select the new columns. So I am adding to the list the default supplier and default warehouse, saving that, and now I can see the ingredient at the default supplier and the default warehouse. What I can do, I can filter the list by the category, like the frozen foods. I can select, and by bulk I can define the default warehouse. I am doing the same for the default supplier. And once I am done, I should go through all the different categories and connect them with the right warehouses and the right suppliers. Okay, now once it is done, we can go further to create shopping list, and I understand that for the first times it can take some time to describe all the default suppliers or different warehouses, but believe me, it is worth to be done because all the shopping list will be clear and easy to manage. So of course we can update it later, so don't care about some mistakes. Let's go to the shopping list. I am creating the new shopping list, and I would like to create the shopping list for the future, for the next Saturday, let's take. So the clients can still place an orders, and what will be important for me, I would like to create my shopping list based on the prediction. So the software will show me the right reference period, so the software know that clients can still place an order, so I should refer to a different order period to check how my orders looks. To check if it is the right period, I can check the trend, and thanks of that I can see if my reference period is not mistaken, because maybe there was too much orders, or there was a holiday or something like that. So if it is okay, I am choosing the right period. For the training reason, I will take the Tuesday here, because I have seen that there was a lot of orders, and let's check preview. Now software shows me that I have 3 orders, and in my reference period I had 12. So usually in this time I had 12 orders. So software tells me if I would like to create shopping list for the 12 orders, or to keep my free orders, or maybe I would like to modify it manually and add, for example, additional 50% of orders. I will take 10, for example, and let's confirm that. Now software shows me the whole list of all ingredients, and as you can see, I have described the suppliers and warehouses which I set. If I haven't set it for a different categories, it is to be selected, so I can change it manually, but it is why I told you it is worth to be done. What else I can do? Now I have required amounts, so I can see which amounts I need, and I can change it. For example, add additional 10% to all my ingredients to buy a little more, or I can choose the most important ingredients, like for example broccoli. If I always know that we have too less broccoli, I can add additional 50% to this specific ingredient. Then I can include packages size, so if I predefine in what packages I am buying the products, ingredients, so the software count me the right amount based on the package sizes, and I can also update unit price manually, so if I know that the price have changed, I can quickly change it all the time. Now once it is done, I can save the shopping list. And it is not the end. Before, after saving the shopping list, it was the end. Now we can work on that kind of shopping list. So as you can see, if I go back to my shopping list, choose this one, I can open that, and I will see the list of ingredients divided by the suppliers. I can group by suppliers, or I can see the flat list. I like the suppliers list. It is the most practiced one. And if I would like to make some changes, for example, order this basil from Farutex, I can change the supplier here and choose the different one, save, and it will be automatically changed to this supplier. What else I can do? As you can see, after clicking, I can manually quickly change the right amount. So for example, I would like to buy 1 kg, okay, 2 kg of banana, and save. So I can manage the amounts. I can of course download the list in PDF or Excel sheet and send it to my suppliers. When it was sent, I can click here and change the status that it is already ordered. So mark as ordered, and I will see that I have ordered the ingredients from this supplier. I will see also the progress bar here, which can help me to have the right status of this shopping list. After receiving the goods from this supplier, I can again check it, and for example, if I haven't received the cucumber, I will only unselect this one, and I will check the status that I have received these goods in my warehouse, and the software will show me that this one isn't collected, so I need to order it to begin my production. And the same on the status bars. And in very quick, it is the whole new shopping list. It is really easy to be managed and really powerful. We are looking to your feedback. I hope that it will help you improve your process with creating shopping list, and it will help you avoid mistake amounts. See you in next videos. Bye.